Hey Techno Studs! In my last couple of videos, we talked about standard ACLs and how to apply them to interfaces to block traffic going to other networks. But in this case, let's say we actually want to block traffic from logging into a VTY or logging into a session on one of our devices. That's going to look a little differently. So let's go over the commands to be able to create security around who is logging into our devices. So in my prior two videos, we were on our demo laptop and we were trying to access this network over here. We were blocking certain IPs right here while allowing other IPs. But in this case right here, maybe we just want to stop people from being able to log into this switch over here while allowing other certain IP addresses to log into it. So what are the commands to do that? Well, first of all, since I'm blocking the access, the SSH access or the VTY access to this device right here, that's the device I'm going to need to be on for these next set of commands. I'm going to use essentially the same ACL as I used before, but we're going to apply it to the line console, or excuse me, the VTY lines on this device. So let's jump onto this device. Here we are. I'm going to get into the global configuration mode. I'm going to take the same set of commands that we've been working with to create this ACL. So we're creating a MyACL, or maybe we actually want to rename this. Maybe we just rename this to, once again, the advantages of named ACL is for it to give some insight into what it's using. So let's do SSH ACL. So we'll do SSH ACL. I'm going to copy this right here. I'm going to paste it onto here. And now it's entered into this machine. I'll exit out of there. And next we'll get into this line VTY. So line VTY 0-15. We'll get into that. And I'm going to apply, so access-class, my class, or my ACL. We do need to change that because we changed the names. So let's do this. Okay, and notice the IP is not at the beginning of this like it was in our last one, and it uses, instead of list, it uses class. So it's a little different than if we're applying it to an interface. So we're gonna paste this into here. And now the way this is set up is from this demo laptop, I'd be able to SSH into this device as long as it's coming from this 10.1.10.34. I wouldn't be able to, I have this 10.1.10.35 on this machine as well. I would not be able to SSH into this machine now from that IP address. So that now is how we lock down access to this device using an ACL.